Today we're going to talk about drones, in particular the DJI Mavic Air 2. I want to share 3 great features that actually came by surprise with the drone right after the intro.
I'm used to give all I have. I'm used to get nothing back. Wherever I go, it's the same. There's no excuses, no one to blame. Sometimes I can't understand how it can be so hard to stay out of pain. But with you everything has changed, even though we both stay the same. Would you call me on my train? Would you come over when nothing's right? Would you hold me tight in the rain?
Thank you for checking in to a new video. That's not a backdrop, that's actually what I see, or actually what I can't see, because that's pure fog. So welcome to the Italian autumnal weather, actually North Italian autumnal weather. Just a quick vlog today. I want to share with you 3 great features I found about the DJI Mavic Air 2 when I actually bought it and received it. And also I'm not referring to the specs or the image quality of the drone. So for that kind of vlog you can check a lot of stuff on YouTube. I'm sure there's plenty of it. The first thing I was very happy to find out was actually the USB-C cable in the drone. So this time the controller comes with the cable. Before you had to buy an extra cable with an adapter for maybe your phone, your iPhone or smartphone, whatever it was. But this time you actually have 3 different cables. So USB-C, the mini USB, and the one for the iPhone. And you can find the cable right inside the controller, so that's great. The very first time I opened the controller, I was just astonished, and I'm really grateful they included this tool inside the drone this time. So wherever you go, the cable will be with you. One is connected, but you can take it off if you want to, so it really comes off. There it is. But one is connected to the controller, and on the other side you're going to connect your phone right there. Very simple. As soon as you plug in the cable, the DJI Fly app also opens up on your smartphone, so very handy. Thank you very much, DJI, for making it easier. Also, the controller through the cable charges your phone. Second amazing feature, and this actually affects your image quality, to be honest, DJI ND filters. Thank you. I used to buy extra filters for my old drones, and they cost around £100 if you want good quality filters. This time, the drone comes with 3 different ones. In this tiny case, you have the ND16, 64, and 256 for different types of weather and brightness. If you want to know how to change the filters in front of your drone's lens, go and check my previous video right here. The last thing I want to share with you is this tiny tool. This is actually a power bank. Well, it becomes a power bank. So if you plug in here a battery of your drone, and then you plug in a cable like that, and you connect your smartphone, and then you turn the battery on as you would do to turn on the drone. So you press 1 and then you press the second time, hold it, and now your phone is charging. This battery is going to become a power bank for your phone. Actually, you have 2 USB ports and you can charge 2 phones at the same time. A few months ago I did a trip to Sardinia, and I was driving the car maybe 3-4 hours a day. I kept my GPS navigator on for the whole day, and the battery did last the whole day, and I also had extra power to fly the drone maybe 15 minutes, which means I had another 3/4 of battery available for me to fly the drone. So really happy with this as well. Overall, the drone is great. To me, that's what I need for traveling and for my vlog, so totally recommend it if you are thinking to buy the drone. And I really hope you're going to enjoy these 3 features, which I actually didn't know about when I bought the drone. So if you didn't know either, I hope I could share with you something new, and I hope you enjoyed the video, so I hope to see you in the next one. Consider to subscribe and also check my video editing course right here in the description tab. God bless you, see you soon.